How to create converting video ads with AI 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I have brought you an amazing topic, and in this amazing topic we're going to be discussing about AI and how you can use two AI platforms to basically create yourself one of the greatest looking converted AI videos ever, okay? And it's going to be a really good journey where I'm going to be discussing everything in great depth with you, so please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can learn a proper good deal about how we're going to use these methods for ourselves, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to our first AI platform, okay? Our first AI platform is ChatGPT, okay? Now, ChatGPT is like a hero for our generation. Like this AI is absolutely out of this world. And to start your, actual AI design and editing using ChatGPT, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to its AI prompt system and, be ready and established to start using it. Now, the other AI platform that we're going to be opening is InVideo. Okay, InVideo.com or InVideo.io is an absolutely amazing platform that is AI related. Okay, and it has different pricings. It has different, hourly accesses. Now, I'm already logged in with this because I already have an account, but you can go ahead and create one for yourself as well. Now, obviously, the upgraded NVIDIA pricings are pretty different. So these are the NVIDIA subscriptions. So the business subscription is $30 per month, and the unlimited subscription is $60 per month. And then there's the lifetime business plan, which is $400 per month. It is only billed once, so you can obviously get that if you want to for yourself, because that will help you a lot when it comes to the pricings. But yeah, once you do that, basically you're going to come over to the dashboard next. Now, once you come to the dashboard, you're going to go over to templates where you're going to find different video templates for yourself, okay? As you can see, these are different videos with different types of templates, and you can obviously go ahead and use any template that you require. So as you can see, the new social media handle that came out, Threads, you get templates for Threads over here. You can choose different aspect ratios that you may want, like landscape, square, portrait. You have different types like promos, ads, listicle, slideshow. You have sales and offers, greetings, motion posters, events and holidays, and a whole lot more. So you can go with anything, like you can choose anything. So let's say I'm gonna go with iPhone. Okay, I'm just gonna write iPhone and let's see what we get. So as you can see, you get all this, or I'm gonna go with Tesla. Let's see what we get on Tesla. You can see you get videos on Tesla, or let's say I'm gonna go with a more basic topic. Let's go with gym. As you can see in gym, you get a whole lot of videos. So we're gonna keep this open, and now we're gonna head over to Chat GPT. Now, obviously, again, as I stated, amazing AI using the Chat GPT, Open AI services. And now once you're over here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding our basic video ad script prompt. So video ad script prompt contains a lot of local questions like what is your product or service? Who is your target audience? What features or benefits does your product or service offer? What is the problem that your product or service is trying to solve? And a whole lot of other things. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is once you're here, how to create a video script with AI. You're going to go down and send a message. And once you're in send a message, you're going to come down here in the prompt and you're going to write a few things. So create a video ad script for an animal friendly yoga studio, target pet owners or something like that. In our case, it's a gym, right? So we're going to write create a video ad script, okay, for gym targeting gym freaks. Okay, the ad duration will be under 30 seconds, and the ad will only have text, images, and videos. Okay, make the video fun and exciting. And then finally, goal of the video is to offer free gym trials. Okay. And then you're gonna enter, and as you can see, background music, upbeat and energetic, opening shot, a fast-paced montage of people out in the gym, and as you can see, it gives us a whole script. And you can obviously pause the video and read it to actually see how amazing the script is actually looking and how great it actually seems. And then once all of this info is added, all of this data is actually added, obviously you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna, add more things into this with, your idea of basic, you could say, script understanding and script knowledge. Okay, and once you made a script, what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically go to the video that you have. So as you can see, this is my video. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna click on use it as a template. Okay. Now, once we click on use it as a template, what we're gonna do from here is we're just gonna wait for it to open in a second. And once it obviously opens, what's gonna happen from here is that it brings us into the basic elements. Okay. And in these elements and these things, we're going to start adding different texts into the script. And we're going to be adding, customized, video bits. And then also, we're going to make sure to, you know, fully use, you can use text to speech as well if you want to. The AI features in this also bring you that stuff as well. Or, just in general, take this, click on it, or just click on this plus sign, bring it here, and as you can see, it's gonna add it over here. So let's say I'm gonna delete all these things. Okay, and once you're done deleting all those things, you just add your text prompts in the middle of the actual box, or however you want to follow the design up. And once you add those things, basically that's going to give you a general output and general outlook of how your text is going to look on video using the script that we just, exported. So basically, that is the general outlook of how you're going to be using your basic AIs to create yourself a good looking script using in video. Now, that was basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, until then, that was all from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.